Hello there. Now in this lesson, I'm going to be forward exiting from a parking lot, parking space. Now, this is a parking space and I'm parked in this parking space. And now I could back up, but no, the space is there. There's no one there. So I'm just going to drive through here and then go to the left. So I start my car. This is an older car, so I don't need my foot on the brake. So I just turn the ignition. And it's on. Then my right foot goes on the brake. Release the parking brake. Gear selected to drive. Now I'm going to the left, so I can put my left signal on and check around, because remember, this is a parking lot. You could have a problem in the parking lot. So you have to do a lot of checking. Alright, now I could get hit from the left or the right. So I'm just going to take my time, make sure it's safe, and then I'll make my turn to go to the left. And going to the left here again. And then ahead I'm going to be exiting to the right and making a right turn onto the next street. Okay. Alright, so I put my right signal on so anyone behind me will know where I intend to go. Get all my turns in, keep checking to the left, and it's good. I end up on my half of the road. Okay, so at the stop sign ahead, it's going to be a left turn. Now, is there a white line? Yes, there is. When I don't see the line, that will be my stopping position. But I can't see anything, and that's also a crosswalk. So I inch slowly and just keep checking. Keep moving until I can see clearly to the left, and I can see it's safe there, not safe here. But now it's safe to the right, so I can make my left turn. Ahead there is a stop sign. Now let's see, do we have a white line here or not? There is no line. Oh yes, there is, but it's hidden. Check left, right, and then I proceed. Now at the stop sign ahead, it's going to be a right turn. Signal to the right, mirror, right shoulder to get close to the curb and stop behind the white line. It's basically rubbed out. Can't see too much to the left, so I keep turning. And it's safe, then I don't have to stop again unless there's a car approaching. Now at the lights ahead, it's going to be a left turn. Put my left signal on. And there's a white line. Stop when I don't see it, right there. Now it's busy traffic from the left and also from the right, but it doesn't really matter because I have a light and I cannot make that turn unless it turned green. So I just keep my signal on and wait for the lights to turn green. While I'm waiting, I'm checking around, make sure everything is good. Now check again, make my left turn. 2 lanes here, I end up in the first lane. This is called the passing lane. Then I speed up, signal to the right, mirror, blind spot, move over to the right. And the speed here is 40, I'm doing 50. So I'm off the gas, and then I'm now maintaining 40. See that vehicle? He's doing about 60 in a 40 zone. So obviously if there's a police officer ahead, then he's gonna get a nice ticket. And don't forget, if you get a ticket, it's not just the cost of the ticket. Your insurance is gonna go up. So you could end up paying thousands of dollars extra in insurance costs. Okay, at the lights, right turn, signal, mirror, shoulder, move into the right turn lane, and it's a green light, so I only slow down to 20-25 to make the turn. And now I'm gonna be turning left into this parking lot, so I signal left, mirror and blind spot to the left. It's safe. I can make that turn into the parking lot. Now I'm gonna find myself a space, a parking space. So I'm just gonna turn left here, then I'll look for a parking spot. Okay, so I guess the parking spot will be on the right, so I signal to the right and look for a space. Now when the front is in the middle of the same space that I want, I just get all my turns in, and I'm gonna end up behind this white car. Now I keep going until the car is straight. There. Then clock again. That means the wheel is straight, and then I inch up behind that car. Done. Apply the parking brake, place the gear selector to park, turn the ignition off, and then I can go about my business. Now thank you for thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.